Here's a parcel of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. The rules in millimetres. Material's been wetted. White dot seeing there is light reflection on some of the pieces. Going a bit closer. This is basically low-grade mine run material. A piece like this might be able to grind a bit more of the boulder off, get a stone out of the side there. Something like that. Chase the seam. That's what you've got to learn how to do is with boulder, is chase the seams and follow it. Sometimes you need to use a Dremel. This is an interesting piece in that you could just slice it, maybe into 3 slices. Just use a nice pattern that you've got. Have it intermitting opal and parent material. Looks quite nice quite often. Pieces aren't so spectacular, but again, interesting shape and form. Looks like a bird. Small piece of colour there on the end. Some don't have much in it at all, but we've priced the deal to correspond to the amount of material. Something like that, just grind down to get to that layer and see what you end up with. Piece like that, it's hard material, but nothing much more than nice pattern in it. This piece again, grind down to the, I'll call it the opal layer. Anyway, it's not very expensive. It's a good place to start. I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.